I can look?
Yeah, yeah.
What is it? What the? Record just me. Because something's suspicious. Should I stay here?
Yeah, sit here. Sit here. And close your eyes.
Tell me when I can look. I got my eyes closed.
Okay, here. Here you go. Here's my card.
Can I look?
Yeah.
Aww, Shoonie. Can I open it?
Yeah.
Disney World tickets. Yay! If there's money in here and it falls out, I'm sorry. Doing it one hand. Ooh, nice card. Nice. Ow. Because you listen, comma, because you understand, comma, times spent with you are special to me, period. They're times I'll always treasure as I treasure you. Happy birthday. Oh, that's so sweet. Happy birthday to the king of my heart, the man of my dreams, and the love of my life. I love you always. Hope you enjoy my gift to you. Emmy smiley face hearts. Oh, that's so sweet.
Okay.
Should I close my eyes again?
Yeah. No. Here you go.
Oh man. Oh boy. That's a nice wrapping and ribbon.
I wrapped it outside on top of my hood of my car. People were looking at me crazy.
It's a toaster.
Yep.
I'm getting nervous. You can't fit a puppy in there. That's too small.
No, let's see.
Okay. I like this bow.
You want me to hold
Do I have to open
Do you
it?
want me to hold it?
Do I have to open it? Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Actually, that's probably a better idea. I can look?
Yeah, yeah.
What is it? What is it? What the? What? Are you serious?
Yep.
What? I thought it was Google at first. I was like, what the heck? Is this a Google Home?
Nope.
What? Oh my gosh. Nothing small. What the heck? Were you part of this?
She didn't know.
What?
It was all a secret.
Oh.
It's the combo, so it's like it has every like the travel kit and all that stuff with it.
The
so.
battery.
Yep.
What? Let's go do something illegal.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.